Taking cash payments in the treatment room. Unfortunately, this is a pretty common scam, and if you're in the business for a while, you're probably going to run across this in one form or another. There are a number of ways that it works, but in general, it usually takes the form of a cash payment between the practitioner and the patient. Most commonly in the treatment room, but there have been many cases where the front desk was involved, and in some cases, multiple members of the staff. In some clinics where there is a poor culture, the majority of the laser technicians and estheticians are actually doing this. It usually takes the form of some type of an extra treatment room, extra units of Botox, extra filler. There are a number of ways that it's done, and it poses double trouble because in certain cases where the patient is unhappy with the result, you're then going to cover that treatment that you were never paid for in the first place. So how are we going to prevent this? Well, as in most cases, you're going to have good systems and you're going to need to enforce them. In this case, you should be enforcing that all patients always check out at the front desk without exception. In some cases, people put please pay at the front desk signs in all of the treatment rooms. I tend to not like that. I think that it sends the wrong signal to patients that the staff is not trusted. And as with most kinds of theft, the systems are usually manipulated when the systems are known and they're poor. So you want to have very strong systems that you're constantly enforcing. It's also a very good idea to talk to the occasional patient, ask them questions, ask what they had done, ask how satisfied they were with that. And you can often pick up kind of tales both around how the patient might act if they are knowing participants in this, as well as the staff member trying to intercede or move things along very quickly. So as with almost every case, the real key to preventing this from happening inside of your clinic is having strong systems that are enforced.